You found the house. Congratulations. You know you're ready to go. You got the house that you want. You've negotiated, and it's time to get it going. But what money do you need? You're not really sure, do you? Okay, so in this video, we're talking about what money you need when you get ready to buy a house. You need this money up front. Let's get it. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sasha Chapman here with Chapman Realty Group, powered and brokered by eXp. All right, I am a real estate agent here on the north side of Fort Worth, and I serve all of DFW, and I'm here to talk to you today about what money you need when it's time to buy a house. And we're talking about the money you need up front, okay? Not closing costs, you will need that too, but that's about the money you need up front. Okay, so you found the house you want, and you're saying, okay, it's time to go ahead and get this whole thing going, and you're ready to put that offer in. What money do you need, and when do you need it? Okay, number one, here in Texas, you're gonna need something called option money. It's the amount of money that you pay for to take the home off the market, to pay for an unrestricted option period as a buyer for your time to walk away from the home. So you're gonna pay, let's say, roughly about $100. Okay, so it's $100 typically here in Texas, and you're going to take that home off the market from somewhere between 3 and 7 days. Now, here's the deal: option money is negotiable. So, for example, I typically when I'm a listing agent, I only give buyers 5 days, right? Because I want to make sure that they want the home, and if not, we can get right back on the market. So during that option period, the seller can't be trying to work with somebody else. It is you're under contract at that point in time. No one else is really coming by to see the house. So you as a buyer can walk away from the house if you want to. If you do that, you'll lose the $100, but you get out of a bad contract or for whatever reason you change your mind. All right. So number one, $100. Number two, you're going to need earnest money. Okay. Now that's also a negotiable number, and earnest money is usually 1% of the sales price, and earnest money goes towards the closing costs. So you're going to need that as well. Okay. So number one, option being $100, give or take, and then earnest money 1% of the sales price. So if you got a $200,000 house, you're going to be looking at somewhere around, you said 1% is going to be $2,000. Okay. So you need to get that money ready to go. Now, when does your agent have to deliver that money? Let's talk about it. Option money first. Delivery of the option money has to happen within 3 days, 3 calendar days. So if you go into contract, it goes this way here. Today's Thursday. Thursday, Friday is one day. Friday, Saturday is another day. Saturday, Sunday at 5 p.m. is the last day. Got to get that over there. Option money doesn't care about weekends, and option money doesn't care about holidays. 3 calendar days. Now, earnest money. Earnest money does care about business days and does care about holidays as well. So here it is Thursday. Thursday, Friday would be one day. We're going to skip Saturday and Sunday. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That is 3 business days in which I have to get that money over, considering that there's not a holiday for me to have to worry about. Okay? So that's how that works with earnest money. Now, we talk about option money, we talk about earnest money. Now, you need to get a home inspection. Okay, understand this. When you do a home inspection, you're paying that money up front for a one-time fee for that particular service. That is it. So that is going to run you somewhere between $400 and $700, depending on the size house you have and what complications you have going on with the home. All right, so you're paying that inspector for that one-time service and that one-time fee. So there you go. So now we're up to another $500. So we're at $2,500. Now, at this point, you're still moving forward. You like the house. Now, the only thing else you have to pay at this point is going to be your appraisal. Here's the dealio. Once you pay for the appraisal, you don't get the money back, period. If you order that appraisal and you pay that money, it's gone, whether the guy's done the appraisal or not. So I tell my clients, let's make sure we're done negotiating. Let's make sure you want the home before we pay for that appraisal. And if we do that, we're good. All right? All right, guys, so that is the money that you need when it's time to buy a house that you need up front. You still will need some closing costs. We'll figure that part out later, and I'll tell you guys about that one on my next video. What do you have to pay for in closing costs? So to recap, option money, number one. 2, earnest money, okay? 3, home inspection, number 3. And then 4, the appraisal. All right, if you have any questions about any of those, please let me know. I'm going to do some deep dive videos about each one of those topics for you. Please make sure you like and subscribe, leave your comments down below, And I'll talk to you guys. Peace.